Wouldn't it be so great if you could just stop biting your bloody nails? If you're a nail biter, I'm guessing that if you're watching this video, you're finding nail biting quite frustrating. You don't like your bitten nails. You'd prefer to have long, healthy nails now. Except you just can't seem to stop that old habit, can you? But what if there was an easy way to overcome that habit for once and for all? Interested? Then watch this video all the way to the end, where I'll be telling you exactly how you can overcome your nail biting problem for once and for all. Hi, my name is Paul Hunter. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist here at Cork Hypnosis Clinic, and over the years I have helped countless hundreds, maybe even thousands of people at this stage to overcome bad habits, specifically nail biting. So let me ask you a question. Where did your nail biting begin? Do you even know the answer to that? For most people, it starts quite young, and starts maybe because they're nervous and they start doing it and they find pretty quickly it is a source of comfort in a weird sort of way. When it started, nobody really took it that seriously, and you just kept doing it and doing it and doing it. And of course, anything that you keep doing and doing and doing over and over again, you get very, very good at. And it becomes an ingrained habit, embedded deep in your unconscious mind, so that most of the time when you bite your nails, you haven't made a decision to bite your nails. You're just doing it before you even realize you're doing it. And while you might have managed to gloss over it as a teenager, because most teenagers have some form of insecurity, so you don't feel like you're out there on your own. There are plenty of people doing plenty of different bad habits. But as an adult, if you're still doing it, then it can be quite embarrassing, having to maybe hide your nails at interviews or meetings. Embarrassed in case anybody will spot it. And then of course, if somebody does actually mention to you about your nails, God, you feel like you'd love a hole to open up in the ground and swallow you, because it is really embarrassing. From the health point of view, it can lead to obviously damaged nails, but also maybe lead to skin infections or sore skin, and maybe even permanent damage to the way in which your nails grow. Of course, the worst part can be that idea that you just don't have any control over it. But there is some good news. Using hypnotherapy, we can pause your busy analytical mind and dive deeper into your unconscious mind, where that embedded pattern that I talked about earlier on is hidden in your mind, deeply embedded. When we get to that part of your mind, I can gently change that urge to bite your nails into something else. So for instance, we might program you to take a big deep breath at that moment, so that your hand doesn't go up to your mouth now and stays maybe on your lap. And now you have this new response to the old trigger, so that the net effect is you feel better, more confident, and your nails look a hell of a lot better. I use not just hypnotherapy, but NLP, or what's called neuro-linguistic programming, and CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy. I use a mixture of all three of those therapies to get the most effective result for you. So if you're finally done with biting your nails and you want a little bit of help to stop permanently, then why not click on the link just below this video in the description. That'll take you to the nail biting page on my website, where you'll find more information, more resources, and most importantly, ways in which you can contact me in order to schedule an appointment if you wish.